The Chief of Naval Staff, his principal officers, at a meeting with the leadership of the Nigerian Ports Authority. The two agencies, which have roles that complement each other, are meeting to further cement the relationship between them for the safety of Nigeria's critical maritime infrastructures. According to the Managing Director of the Nigerian Ports Authority, Mrs. Hadiza Balla Usman, the agency has made budgetary provisions to establish a naval forwarding base in Tako Bay, Lagos, as a way to shore up security in the waterways and to support the job of the Nigerian Ports Authority.
We have discussed how to commence implementation and development of the FOB. We've identified critical areas of collaboration around our personnel for training of Nigerian Ports Authority, maritime security team. We have also embarked on layers of collaboration.
On his path, the Chief of Naval Staff says the Nigerian Navy has made some economic and environmental savings for the nation.
We have been able to shut down over 500 illegal refineries in the last 6 months. That is a number more than the last 2 years in 6 months. And of course, this was as a result of the capacity that the Navy had in recent times, the boats that we have added in the fleet, and the other resources that have been provided the Navy. And so, if in 6 months we're able to shut down over 500 refineries, you can imagine what that means to the economy and the damage to the environment.
Both the Nigerian Navy and the Nigerian Ports Authority are critical maritime agencies in Nigeria. A collaboration between the two agencies will not only mean better protection of Nigeria's maritime assets, but has the capacity to better its economy. Amaka Okafor, Channels Television News.